may begin.
Okay. Sorry? Okay. Okay. I, as the opposition, I state firmly that I support plastic surgery does more harm than good. Okay. Remember you were mentioning earlier that you say what? Go home, repaint, don't know what, become new house, correct? Yes, it's true you can change your outer image, but however you cannot change your character. No matter how pretty you are, no matter how beautiful you are, okay? As long as inside you are dirty, you're not clean, you're not beautified. Is that a correct word? Okay, anyway, yeah. So anyway, you're still, I mean, like, it doesn't make you whole. Does it make you whole? No. Will you feel better if you're outside beautiful but inside not beautiful? No, right? Looks can be deceiving. Okay, let me go on. Okay, you see, even you say plastic surgery, right? You say for medical help. It is true. However, lately, a lot of people has been misusing plastic surgery. Look at all the celebrities you see. Look at all the worldly things you hear of. Is everybody going to plastic surgery, making their face more beautiful? What lah? Everything lah, okay? Okay. But, however, there are some complications which you have to take note. They can be very, very deadly if you're not caution. Okay, so yes, the first complication a person can go through is called the post-operation depression. Everybody goes through that. No matter how strong you are, no matter how strong-willed you are, you say, no, I will not go through that. You will go through it. It's a natural thing. Your body will counter-attack that surgery you went through, okay? So, such of this depression can include the anticipation and stress of preparing for the surgery. Even you haven't gone for it, you're already in depression thinking, oh no, what if I die during that operation? What if I can feel the pain cutting through my body? What if I cannot scream my lungs out when I can feel the pain? What if depression? You see, imagine you're in the surgery and you're thinking about all this pain. Oh my God, what happened if you wake up? My body! Okay, so anyway, yeah, let me go on. So yeah, see the medication, the anesthetics, you see, you're taken to inject yourself so that you won't feel the pain. It can be very harmful because, you see, when you go for the first operation, right, you have to have that maintenance, okay? It doesn't mean that you go one time for the surgery, right? Oh, I'm so beautiful. Yes, it will last a lifetime. No, it will not. You have to go back again and redo the surgery again. And which means more chemicals inside your body, more anesthetics. And anesthetics can be very dangerous. You know what's anesthetic for? Okay, see, anesthetic, right, is for okay, it's for you to so that you won't feel the pain, so that you will sleep and stuff like that, right? However, it also slows down your heartbeat. We can result in abnormal heart rhythm. That is my next complication. Abnormal heart rhythm. You cannot play with the heart. It's very important. Life and death is very important. Okay, cannot be played. Okay, so yeah.
POI.
You say that an anesthetic slows down the heartbeat, right? But it's very rare that someone actually dies because the heartbeat stops. Yeah, the doctors actually know how much amount of anesthetic to give you, right? They are professionals, they know it.
But still, mistakes happen, correct or not? Sometimes measurement wrongly. Who knows? Who knows? Measurement can be wrong, can go wrong, right? Okay, no. Okay, furthermore, let me go on. I still got a lot of things to talk. Okay, so then, okay. Okay, see, let's say, okay, let's say, right, when you do your operation, right, something goes wrong, okay? Remember, I said something goes wrong. A little drop of blood pressure, a little bit of drop of blood pressure can cause death. You see? So you see when your abnormal heart rate suddenly I don't know how lah, abnormal ma, right? So then you see it cause the doctors to panic and stuff like that. So when the doctors panic, they might panic sometimes, right? So when they panic, they might do like the stitches wrongly. Okay, fine. So it causes excessive bleeding somehow. Okay, and then can I end? I stand firm that plastic surgery does more harm than good.
Okay, thank you, Li Hui.
1 minute. very good evening to the Masters of Ceremony and the members of the floor. Okay, for starters, I would like to refer to what my dear friend over here said. A little bit of change in pressure can cause someone to die. But you see, you're focusing on all this little bit of change in pressure that actually causes something wrong. You're looking at the downside. You're looking at all the little mistakes. Why can't we look at the bright side? Every cloud has a silver lining. You're only emphasizing on that one tiny wincy little mistake that causes someone to go wrong. So why should we stop people from having what they call good looks just because of bad experiences another donkey has experienced? Okay. Okay, another thing with regards to all the risks and the depressions and whatnot, as my colleague here already said, the doctors would have had you warned long before you actually go through the surgery. So, pandai lah, take the choice. It's your choice to actually decide, oh, should I go, should I not go? Will I be able to go through this depression? And with regards to the depression problem, you actually said, in a way, don't you think it actually brings good at the same time? The fact that there is nervous anxiety, worries, it actually brings members of the family closer together to support the particular person in trouble for plastic surgery. Do you think that a person would just say, oh, today is Saturday, I like to go for plastic surgery, let's go, wee. But no, you actually go and consult the people that are of matter to you. You actually say, oh, Appa, Amma, I got this problem, blah, 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 blah. Then only you consider before you go. So they are actually strengthening the bonds between each family member when times of need as this comes. So it's actually considered the storm before the calm. So you are actually going through that little bit of depression before the operation to come out looking like a swan. Okay. And it is also proven that plastic surgery seldom go wrong. In fact, there are 80% of people who gone through plastic surgery came back reporting that they are very, very satisfied with whatever they've gone through. Okay, what else am I supposed to? Okay, freedom of character. Okay, yes. And plastic surgery, you said about your inner personality. Does it make any difference if you change the outer appearance, but the inner person doesn't change?
Exactly.
That's what you said. So, on the assumption that I do not change my outer appearance, does it make a difference?
So why do
It doesn't. There's.
it doesn't. So why the plastic surgery? Thank you.
If you can make yourself look better on the outside so that people can look at you and you feel respected, you feel proud of what you have. Yes, POI?
Yeah, huh? No.
Oh, okay. Okay, where was I? Yeah, it's not wrong to be beautiful. You say that it doesn't matter if the person inside is a rotten egg, there's no point looking very good on the outside. But hello, we're living in a real world today. If you want to get a job, and in my case, if I'm the interviewer and I see the Hunchback of Notre Dame walking in, I would immediately cross the person off the list on the spot.
POI, so are you trying to say that, when God makes us for who we are, I mean, like, poor thing, the person is born like that, right? God made him like that. He's perfect in God's eyes. So does it mean that you're not going to give him a chance? Just because of his looks?
Okay, a great man
Ungrateful.
once told me, you do the possible and let God do the impossible. I got 1 more minute. Okay, so as you can see, when you weigh in both the harm and the good, you can see very clearly that plastic surgery actually brings forth the better of itself. It does more good than harm. And henceforth, I actually stand very, very firmly that plastic surgery actually does a lot more good than harm. Yeah, correct.
Okay, thank you, Timothy.